I'm going to remove the nut. Should have knew the names of this stuff. Let's see here. I'll remember it sooner or later. So here's a steering box here, and then goes down to this arm, and then right there is that nut. So there's a cotter pin that's in there. So I'll take that off, and that shoots off, and that can take this whole thing off out as a unit. All right, so just keep updated. So right there. So there's the cotter pin. It needs to come out. Which is easy. I just bent it so that I can straighten it out. And then grabbed on the end of it and it pulled out a little bit, so it should come right out. There we go. All right, now I just need to turn it. So I get a wrench on there. So it does. All right, so I got it come loose. There we go. Here's the hole right there where the cotter pin goes through, and you got the special nut. Locks that nut in place. And then a little tap. Maybe not. And then I don't want to F anything up. So I'm replacing everything anyway. Alright, hang on. Alright, got it off. It was a pain in the rear. I had to get a wedge. It's machine. I don't know if it's machine pressed in. I did mess up the seal. Hopefully it's replaceable. So I rebuild this gearbox. No oil in this thing at all whatsoever. So lots of gook. So let's hook up to here. All right, so got the gearbox off, brakes are off. I'll take a close look at this thing, but that's it.